Hello, first graders, and welcome back to your social studies job for today. Our target skill for today is I can give examples of natural resources and how people use them. Let's take a closer look at this today. You're going to need your vocabulary dictionary. If you do not have it, go ahead and pause the video and run and grab your vocabulary dictionary. We are going to add one new word to this dictionary today, and that is the word resource. Anything that people can use. A natural resource, boys and girls, is found in nature. From our Brain Pop video we just watched, you can go ahead and draw a natural resource. Take a look outside your window. Do you see any natural resources outside? Maybe ask yourself, how do people use them? Today, boys and girls, we are going to use a natural resource to create a piece of art. So, in front of you, you see an oasis lion, but this lion is missing something. It does not have a mane. It doesn't have big hair around its head. I would like for you to go on a bit of a nature walk today, boys and girls, and look for a natural resource that you can use to create a mane for this lion. Is it some leaves, or other form of natural resource that can be found in nature? All right, have fun looking for those resources, boys and girls, and I will see you next time.